guys, and welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been a long day, it's been like 1 month posting any videos on YouTube, and right now I'm like free, and yes, from today I'm gonna upload my videos every week. And yes guys, please subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about all these techie videos. You just need to check out the link below. It's my website to the SHREK tech. And yes guys, today we have bought this PANASONIC SEEKIT loop. That's a tag, connect and find device. This is a Bluetooth having it. For example, you can take your keys basically, and if you don't find it, you can just use the SEEKIT device to just beep the sound so that you can go recognize or find your keys. So it's very simple, right? So today we're gonna unbox this PANASONIC SEEKIT loop. So let's get this thing started. So guys, before buying this thing, let's talk about it. Let's see what is this thing, like why is it used for. So basically guys, this is used for keys, your valuable things. You can just tag it and just roam around. So if you guys have lost it, you can also track it using the Bluetooth version, which is version 5.0, the latest Bluetooth version of this. So guys, let's go to the basic key features of this thing. Okay guys, right now I'm gonna show it. So you can see that these are the total key features of this small device, which is around a coin. So it has a separator indicator. So if you are getting separated by both, like the anti-theft device along with your phone, it's gonna alert you with going away from it. And the last seen location, where it was last seen or tracked, proximity guidance, bi-directional tracking, crowd G, multiple or alert modes, so SOS alert, selfie button for quick selfie, voice alert. Battery life is 12 months guys. You don't need to change the battery. It's gonna be like 12 months after you turn it on. It's gonna have a splash proof that is IP65 and the range of up to 100 feet. And yes, of course, as I said, it's Bluetooth 5.0. So guys, how do you link it guys? It's very easy. You just need to download the SEEKIT app from the Play Store. So yes, before installing this device, let's see what's inside the box and let's unbox the thing. So the seal has been taken off right now. Oh yeah, presenting the SEEKIT anti-theft device. So yes, this, as I said, it's a size of a small coin. Is the same. So you get this SEEKIT device. Let's see: key, backpack, laptops, camera, wallet, mobile, handbag and luggage. So it's a really interesting, right? So let's check on this box. What is this thing? So it contains quick start guide, complimentary key ring, envelope for service response. So let's get this thing started. So this is a pre-addressed place where you can just keep your SEEKIT and just send it to the service center. Keep it aside. So let's see what's inside this. So guys, this is the quick guide manual of SEEKIT loop. So basic flashcards, every event has a reward, games off. Oh my god. Okay, so protect all your anti-theft debit cards against theft or loss of frauds. They're gonna cover everything with on-call assistant, that's 24 hours. Everything is covered with this SEEKIT loop. So guys, and here's the main device guys. Let's keep these things apart. Okay, so here's the main device. So let's unbox this thing. So guys, this thing is really unique. Okay, so as per my experience with this thing before unboxing, I had this earlier, and right now I really needed to unbox it because I needed to show you guys this is really valuable thing, and it's 1,300 rupees on Flipkart and Amazon. You have the link below in my description. Go check it out. And yes guys, this is really crazy. See, it's really nice, right? It has a matte black all over it. Really crazy. And the thing guys, this is the main button right here, this arrow mark right now. So yes, if you turn it on, it's gonna beep up. So yeah, and it's by Panasonic. So if you're already paired with your device and you click 3 times of this button, it's gonna, it has an SOS mode which alerts your contacts up. You can add up to only 3 contacts, so it can alert 3 members in your family that I need or you need some help. So by just pressing 3 times of this button when it is paired with your phone, so it's gonna enable the SOS mode and a lot of things there. And yes guys, if you really want to buy this thing, it's gonna be in the link down, so you can just go check it out. So yes guys, this unboxing is really crazy, and I guess I don't have any words to say because this is really amazing. You just need to buy it, and basically guys, just need to power it on, and it's gonna be till 12 months correctly. I don't know, I'm gonna show you the experience of this thing. It's gonna buzz anytime, so I guess you guys really need to buy this thing guys. So thanks for watching my video guys. Please subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a long day coming through all these things. I had some normal basic exams which everybody have. So yes, if I'm really free, I'm gonna upload every video or anything of unboxing or tech related things on my channel. Please subscribe it, and yes, grab some merchandise. It's in the link below. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, stay tuned for more tech videos. So you were watching SHREK Tech, so have a nice day.